My name's Andi. I'm a floor bar instructor at YYOGA. This is a quick video to show you some ways to incorporate core into your busy day. Come down to hands and knees. Tuck your toes under, and then send your hips high, downward dog. Fingertips spread nice and wide. You can take a chance to pedal out your feet here if you like. From here, inhale, right leg high. Keep your hips square. Shift forward, drawing knee to nose, plank pose. Press back. Knee to right elbow, press back. Knee to left elbow, hold it here, pulse it up. Take your gaze towards the top of your mat. Drop your hips for 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the right knee all the way down. You can stay where you are. I'm going to turn to face you. So my shin is parallel to the front side edge of my mat. Left shin parallel to the left side edge. Right fingertips tent out. And then left arm sweeps up overhead. So from here, I'm pulling belly button to spine, engaging my core, using inner thigh to float right leg up, and then all the way down. So full range of motion to start. Lift and lower. You're using core to lift, you're using inner thigh to float the leg up. You want your toe and your knee to lift at the same time for 3, 2, hold it here at the top. Inner thigh pulses up. See what it feels like to maybe de-weight your right fingertips. Maybe both arms sweep up overhead. If not, keep your right hand here for 3, 2, hold it here. Pointed toe, reaches long, and pull it in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Pulse up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Draw it in. Right hand comes back down. This time shifting your weight just onto your right sit bone. Back leg floats up. So this is that whole kind of muffin top area here. We're reaching to crunch up and float it down. Lift and lower. Shoulders relax for 3, 2, hold it there at the top. Little pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2. Maybe you de-weight your fingertips, hold it here, extend out to the side, draw it in, reach it long, curl it in for 4, 3, 2. Hold that extension, pointed toe, little pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw your knees in, extend your toes towards the front. Good. Take a C curve of the belly as you're carving out your navel. Toes float up off the floor. Left toes come up to meet them. Circle the arms up overhead, soft bend to the elbow, and then reach behind, circle up. Shoulders down, chin lifted. If you're working towards straight legs, you can extend the legs now for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Toes touch down. Come back to tabletop position. Tuck your toes under and send your hips high. Downward dog. Inhale, left leg high. Sweep forward, drawing knee to nose. Press back. Knee to left elbow. Press back. Knee to right elbow, hold it there. Pull belly button to spine and pull it up. Up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming all the way down. So setting up the same way on the other side, deer pose. Shin parallel to the front side edge, right shin parallel to the long side edge, left fingertips reach out, right arm circles up overhead. Inner thigh, float the toe, lower down. Good, so this is kind of sneaky core work. Your core is engaged to float the leg up, but you're also working inner thigh for 3, 2, hold it nice and high, and pulse. See what it feels like to maybe de-weight your left fingertips, they float overhead for 4, 3, 2, hold, extend, and pull it in for 3, 2, hold it here, inner thigh pulses, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, draw it in. Left fingertips come back down. Right arm stays lifted overhead. Float that back leg and lower. So you want toe, heel, and knee to all lift at the same time, working through those obliques for 4, 3, 2, hold it at the top, little pulses. Maybe your left fingertips reach up for 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it here. Extend, curl it in, reach it long. Those left fingertips can come back to the floor anytime you need for 4, 3, 2, hold that extension and pulse it up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, come back to a seat. Inhale to press up, gentle curl in. Good, and then take it up. Thank you, my name's Andi, floor barre instructor at YYOGA. I hope we got your core fired up.